In this video, we will show you how to add a Google Tag Manager code in Shopify. If you guys want to get started with Shopify, you can use the links down in the description. The first requirement is to have a Google Tag Manager container. From there, you need to have access to your Shopify store. This is because you'll need to open and modify the theme files directly through Shopify. Once the theme files are ready, you need to find the appropriate location to install the codes within the Google Tag Manager interface. Start by clicking on the button for your GTM account. You'll find two snippets of codes, Snippet 1 and Snippet 2, then install it on the GTM pages. Additionally, you can also find both of these snippets by navigating from Admin and clicking Install Google Tag Manager. Upon clicking on Admin, you'll find both of the aforementioned snippets of codes, which you will then install in Google Tag Manager. Next, you'll configure Snippet 1 in the head section of the HTML page and Snippet 2 in the body section. Then open the admin section of the Shopify backend to install the two snippets. So that's how to add a Google Tag Manager code in Shopify. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.